What it do, CEEFAM? It's your boy C Will back at it with another slight video, man. Today's video, bro, just gonna be showing y'all around this car show, man, that I came to. Pretty cool, man. Good little turnout, you heard me? It's called Happy's Bar. So yeah, bro, finna just show y'all boys a bunch of cars, man. You know, it's definitely good to get out, network with people, see what other people got, man, and just collaborate with people, man. So hey, y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, man. Let's get to it, bro. Look at that GT4 RS, bro. Crazy work. Got a got the TA. This boy nice. I don't know, this is like a 5.7 though. Nice, man. The Oldsmobile. Bro, BMW M3. Yeah, this boy fire, bro. Shout out to her, whoever that is, bro. This boy clean. Got the M seats. Got the carbon buckets too. It's crazy. Yeah, babe, I'm not walking all the way down there, bro. Whatever, I guess. I don't know. Yeah. I mean, we can go down the hill. You want? Yeah, I will say, come on. Yeah, it's like a one-way in, one-way out, pretty much. Yeah. One way in, one way out. My boy right here in the Audi. Big clean. Damn, hoping no copyright. Good vet. See you, my boy. Yeah, like people leaving though, man, slowly but surely. So I don't know, but we'll see though. Jeez, Oldsmobile. All right, bro, they got this Pontiac. This boy here, crazy work, bro. Good Pontiac. I don't know what this right here is. All right, CEEFAM, so as y'all see, man, we got the Hellcat outside, man. Definitely got that boy outside. Man, this boy look good. Everything look pretty much brand new still, y'all. You know, supercharger look good. Man, I'm telling you, all the Germans came by the car, y'all, and it was like, oh man, how many horsepower? I was like, 717, man, you know. So, and then yeah, it's stock. Then we also got the badge, you know what I mean? Got that boy lit up like a damn Christmas tree. It's really hard to see, watch. You go like that, you can see it, but it's not, you know, versus going like that. And yeah, so I don't know. Originally, I wasn't even gonna pop the hood, nothing like that, CEEFAM, but I'm like, man, it's gonna definitely catch more people's eye with the yellow leg maker and all that. So that's pretty nice. But yeah, man, ended up washing the car for the first time today. I didn't really wash it. I really just sprayed it down and then went from there, man. So but yeah, shit, I'm gonna take y'all around here, man. I'm not the type to just stand by my car the whole time, you know. But yeah, like, see, so yeah, pretty cool, y'all. Like, it really give me anxiety, bro, whenever like everybody just around the cars, everybody just looking at my car, because I'm the most like hypocritical, or not hypocrite, damn, I'm the most critical, or I critique myself the most, you know, about my car, y'all. But yeah, man, like I said, I'm gonna just take y'all around, show y'all boys what they got, man. This Hyundai, this color right here, nice. Boy, clean. You know, I'm gonna just walk up and down the line. Smooth BMW. Sheesh. Smooth BMW. Got the old school BMWs. Some people left, man, but it's all good. Sheesh. Hey, this boy nice too. Chrome wheels on this boy. Yeah, man, it's a good little event. Shout out Happy Sports Bar, man. Happy Sports Bar. Pretty clean right here, y'all. So, yeah. It's nice right here too. Oops, excuse me. But yeah, man, this color right here, nice. I don't know, y'all. Like the German or the car scene out here, pretty cool, y'all. It's not like super duper crazy though, man. Like, I'm gonna just come back around here and walk up and down the line. But yeah, man, I'm gonna show y'all exactly what they got. Hopefully I don't get copywritten, bro, but we'll see. I don't know. And bro got every state on his car, bro. Every state pretty much. It's clean right here. Shout out my guy. Shit, Patriot _1 series. Yeah, bro got every state on his car, man. It's crazy work, bro. Wonder how long all this work took, you know? Crazy. And then yeah, they got this Pantera Pontiac, bro. This thing right here probably stole the whole show pretty much. Oh, excuse. I just want to look. Sheesh. It's crazy right here, bro. Look at this. Sheesh. Crazy as hell, bro. Insane right here, bro. It's so crazy, bro. So this car right here, y'all, like I said, it's a Pontiac GTS. Clean as hell, bro. He ended up pulling up to the car show super duper, probably was the last one, and ended up getting the best spot. You know what I mean? So I don't know. It's really about like who you know. It's not really even about what you know, CEEFAM. It's about who you know, bro. That can plug you in, can help you, you know. But yeah, man. Got the 5.0. Man, I don't know. If I had a Mustang, I'd either get a dark horse or I'd really get a GT 500, bro. That's just me, you know. But yeah, definitely got to get a intake on this boy. But shit. Or shit, if I had a regular 5.0, I'd go Whipple. Smooth Whipple. Put a couple grand in it. Shit, you beating GT 500s, you put that Whipple in there. Or you neck and neck or even beating them. So yeah, man, pretty cool. Got the cop car out, man. You know. And okay, my boy, I see you. Got the old school, man. That boy sound fast. Right seater. It's tough, bro. People pulling up late. Yeah, that boy sound like it's fast. Bro got something done to it for sure. But, okay, what's this? A Mitsubishi or a Honda? I don't know. I'm not big on these cars. WRX, Subaru. Smooth M3. Man, this shit's still clean, bro. Hell yeah, bro.
You know how it is, just like,
I know. Spur of the moment type thing. Just trying to, for sure. Yeah, same, bro. I was over here scrambling, rushing too, bro. So I know how it is, bro. It's all good, bro. Clean car, bro. Hey, brother, question for you, man. I mean, do you ever wish that you had the carbon bucket seats, or are you like, nah? I mean, no. Okay.
I've never sat in the carbon bucket seats myself,
Same.
So I don't know how comfortable they are.
Okay.
I do like my comfort.
100%. I got you.
So I like these seats, and I
Good,
wasn't willing to pay the extra $1 million for them.
Yeah, I think the option for the carbon buckets is like $4,800, almost $5,000. So just the option itself.
I think
but
they even have a carbon package where it's like you get the seats and the ceramic brakes.
Yes.
That's like $8,000.
$8,000, yeah. Nah. Smart man, bro. Forget it. Yeah, bro. Sheesh, it's nice right here, bro. Clean, one big screen. It's nice right here, bro. M3. I like this boy. Definitely like this boy, CEEFAM. Y'all already know how I feel. Then it's the X-Drive too. Smart man, bro. Smart man. Smooth X-Drive, bro. So, hey, this Jag clean, bro. Jag crazy. Drop top Jag. Yeah, this boy here, nice. Nice car, man. Nice. No problem, my boy. Yeah, I give credit where credit's due, man. Clean. Jeez. Nissan Z. U.S. Army retired. Shout out to you, my boy. I rock with that. Yeah, nice color right here. Ford RS. Nice right here, man. But yeah, CEEFAM, that's the bulk of it, man. You know, they have what? Best muscle, best muscle, best JDM, best all that. I don't know. The voting is from 2 to 5. It's a long time, bro. It's already 3:33, you know, so it's a long time, bro. So yeah, I'm just walking around trying to get as much footage as I possibly could get, CEEFAM, and then just go from there, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'll holler at y'all boys in a little bit, man. Bro, them seats is crazy, bro. I used to wish I had red seats, but not no more, you know. It's cool. Pretty cool right here, man. So yeah, man, let's get to it. CEEFAM, so look, it's currently the next day, man. By the time we got home, it was late, bro. I didn't even feel like recording or anything like that, y'all. But hey, that was a great car show, man. Shout out Happy Sports Bar, veteran owned, man. I don't know how long they've been in business, bro, but great turnout, bro. They had the lake in the back, everything, y'all. But yeah, man, the Germans love the car, y'all. I feel like my car was one of the cars, bro, that, you know, humbly speaking, had some of the most people around the car, y'all. You remember I had the hood pop, everything, bro. They saw that carbon fiber leg maker, saw that big supercharger engine, man. They was in love, you know what I'm saying? For real, y'all. Like, I really wish that I just had a camera and it showed everybody reaction as they came up to the car. With me, I'm trying to get content. I'm trying to do this. I'm trying to do that. I'm walking around. I'm doing everything, y'all. But yeah, man, like I said, they love the car, y'all. Yesterday was actually my first time washing the car too, y'all. So yeah, as we drove home, a little bit of bugs and all that on the car, y'all. But man, you still see my reflection in the paint, bro. So this boy's still clean. This boy's still nice, y'all. Couple things that need to get done to the car still. So just to give y'all kind of like a heads up, CEEFAM, what I really want to do, I want to order me a front splitter, bro. I was thinking about lowering the car, y'all, but I don't know. This boy is already low. Like, y'all might not think it's low, but this boy is already low, to be honest. I feel like the 22s eat up that wheel gap, you know? So yeah, this boy is low already, CEEFAM. So I was either going to lower it or put a carbon fiber splitter in the front. But the only catch to that is, y'all, the company I want to go through, APR Performance, they said that they pretty much can't ship APO or can't ship overseas. So I may have to ask somebody who live on the East Coast, hey, look, can I ship my splitter to your house? And then shit, I'll just pay however much the shipping is to get to where I'm at in Germany. So yeah, any of y'all boys out there, bro, somebody I rock with, somebody I can trust, I can ship my splitter to y'all, then y'all can bring it to USPS or whatever, and then I can pay y'all however much it is to ship it. That'll be cool. But that's the only way, CEEFAM, now I'm gonna be able to get my front splitter on there with the little 2 rods going through. And then yeah, I think that's gonna bring the car to a crazy level, you know. So we still got to do that. We also still gotta put on our side markers, man. This is just a hassle. Not pretty much the front. The front's pretty easy. Just gotta turn the wheel to the opposite way, get in the fender well, and then yeah, unscrew that. And then the backs is probably gonna be a pain. I could sit here, cause see this right here, y'all. Literally, there's like barely any room to get back here, y'all. Especially since I got 22, so I may have to just go to the little tire center, man, and just take the backs off at least. The fronts, I can do that. Just gotta turn the wheel. But the backs, bro, since I got 22s, y'all, look at that. There's no way I can get in there. So still gotta do those. What else, man? I got my oil separator. So you know what? Let me might pop the hood right quick. Show y'all boys. I think this is JLT oil separator I got, bro. Let's see. Still got to put that boy on. Oh, sheesh. Underneath here look brand new, man. Shout out to my guys over there at the detailing factory, but this boy still look, I don't know what y'all put on it, but this boy look brand new still. So yeah, like I said, bro, they love the big leg maker, man. Everybody was asking me how much horsepower. I said 700. You know, cut myself short, 717, but it's cool. But yeah, y'all, so I actually teamed up, man, with American Brothers Design. Y'all don't know who that is, bro. They make pretty much custom emblems, custom anything you want custom, bro, it can get done by them. So yeah, I got, man, so much pieces coming for my engine bay, you know, my throttle body cover, man, everything is gonna be color match pretty much, you know what I mean, y'all? So yeah, got that coming. Like I said, I got my my oil catch can on my JLT oil separator. That's also here already. I gotta put that on. So yeah, it's just little minor things, CEEFAM. And then another project that I really thought about. Let me close this board right quick. So yeah, another project, y'all, that I actually thought about doing, man. Comment down below. Should we do the stars in the roof on our own? You know what I mean? I might make that a 2-3 part video, 2-3 part series. And then yeah, I think that's gonna go crazy, bro. Really showing y'all the ins and out, how to do the wiring from the front to inside the trunk, like how to, you know what I mean, how to do everything, you know, y'all. So I think that'll be a cool little video, man, for sure. So that's what I'm thinking about doing, man. So comment down below, should we do the stars in the roof on our 2022 Charger Hellcat, man? Really gonna be the sickest in Germany, bro. And then also, I got a company sending me out a steering wheel too, y'all. Carbon fiber steering wheel, bro. They actually let me design it and everything, so that's gonna be cool, man. You heard me? That's gonna be real cool. So I got a carbon fiber steering wheel coming for the free ski. I just got to get them promo and all that good stuff, man. Let them know who I got the steering wheel from, and then go from there, y'all. But yeah, y'all, hey, I appreciate y'all boys, man. Y'all boys been rocking with me, bro. Y'all been leaving likes on the videos, leaving comments on the videos, bro. I can't thank y'all enough. Like I said, that's all I ask from y'all. I don't beg y'all for money. I don't beg y'all to watch the whole video. Hey, hit that bell though. Turn on all notifications so y'all can get notified whenever the videos do drop. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's all I ask from y'all. Leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. Most importantly, bro, 20K by the end of the year. I'm calling it, speaking it into fruition right now, CEEFAM. So hey, like I said, leave comments, man, on all the mods I said. Do y'all think we should do the stars in the roof? Y'all think we should, y'all think we should do the carbon fiber front splitter? That was a mouthful. But yeah, bro, hey, I appreciate y'all so much. Like I say, I'm C Will, and y'all CEEFAM, and I'll holler at y'all boys on the next one, baby.